All right, today I'm sitting inside of a very sweet 2018 Mustang GT. We just installed the Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger. I'm getting to make a dyno pull. But before we do, let's go up front. We'll check out the other mods we installed, as well as take a look at the Supercharger. It's a Stage 2 kit. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe, get notified, and stay up to date. Let's go check it out. Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Speed. As always, thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. So here's what I have today. I have Doug with me. This is a Gen 5. It's a Stage 2 kit, Whipple Supercharger. So Stage 2, it's another pound of boost over the Stage 1. You get the large 132 millimeter throttle body, as well as an upgraded fuel pump. We didn't stop there. We also have a set of Cook's headers with free-flowing exhaust, billet oil pump gears and sprocket, and then we did cooling mods. So we scored the large Adler radiator, the cooler thermostat, and we did a set of half shafts as well as an aluminum drive shaft. All those parts I just told you about, I will put links in the description so you can look at the brands, read more about it, and as always, you can email quote@brentspeed.com if you like what you see and you wonder what this would cost to get installed. So I'm pumped. It's early this morning. I'm gonna make a dyno pull, get myself woke up. Let's get started. Before I take a look at the numbers, I was just sitting here thinking, it's kind of crazy. All these cars I dyno here every week, it's how large a percent of them have black wheels. It's just like the trend right now. I mean, almost no one, it seems like, has polish anymore. I'm kind of curious. Doug, what do you like, black or polished?
Polished.
I knew it. Of course Doug's a polished guy. Hey, leave a comment if you want. Do you like black wheels or polished wheels? Which do you have on your car? It's such a high percent of black. But, all right, off the subject, over here, this is awesome. DynoJet SAE 690, rear wheel horse, 7,300 RPM. Torque came in great, 540 at 5,100. This car is an automatic. It's running 93 octane pump fuel. That is gonna be fast on the street. And that's definitely enough power to put on a set of drag radials, run 10 seconds in a quarter mile, no problem. So not bad. Bolt some parts on, get some sticky tires, run 10s, and have a sweet looking car like this. So hey, if you have any questions, leave a comment. And again, don't forget, please subscribe and notify. I'm Brent from Brent Speed. Thank you so much for watching.